performance outcomes measures. At the beginning, I was just trying to get used to the movement, trying to measure the strength of my throws, and each throw was taking like at least less than 5 seconds. And I also noticed that my reflexes were still a little bit slow. For my performance production measures, I was already getting used to the movement of my wrist, and then I was able to gain more confidence to start getting both of the balls at the same time. Also, another thing that I noticed was the amount of time that I was juggling. It was improving a little bit, but it was improving. And also, the strength of my throws was decreasing too. I started throwing it a little bit more soft, which gave me more time to think and to react, which my reflexes also improved in there. And for the theory of feedback, for my initial conditions, I started without confidence, but I was trying to get used to the new movements. So that, I think that explains why I was not feeling comfortable yet. For response specifications, my body wasn't stabilized yet, so I was like everywhere just trying to catch the balls. But it started improving as soon as I got used to the movements and I started feeling more comfortable. Yeah. For sensory consequence of movement, my brain, my reflexes, and my nervous system started to understand the movements and when to throw the ball, when to catch the ball, and my visions too starting to improve too in there. And another thing, the strength of my throws, it was better. I wasn't throwing it like that high anymore, so it gave me more time to think, or less time to think, so my reflexes were able to react faster. And for the response outcomes, after a few adjustments that I did during the lab, I was able to juggle the tennis balls more frequently, and I started to feel more confidence. I started trying like a different movement too, like going sideways instead of going in front. And yeah, so I think I improved a lot in just 30 seconds. And knowledge of performance. The strength of my throws was something that I was learning during my performance, but also my patience. I needed to stay calm and relaxed in order to think and grab the two balls, because I was just focusing on one ball, and I was losing my patience and I was getting frustrated. But yeah, for my knowledge of results, I feel like with a little bit more practice, because that was just like 4 minutes, or like it was like less than a minute, and with more repetitions and more adjustments, I think in less than a day you're able to juggle the balls even better. And here should be like the total numbers of correct responses that I did, and also the wrong responses that I did. It was a pretty interesting lab video, but yeah, I learned a lot. Thank you.